In this video, we'll teach you how to reactivate your stake account. So if your account is suspended after the self-exclusion, the only way to reactivate your account is wait for the exclusion period to expire. So the minimum exclusion period is 6 months. So you need to wait 6 months, and after that you will be able to reactivate your account. After the 6-month period has passed, your account can be considered for reactivation, subject to a formal return to play review. To initiate the review process, please contact our support team via email. So to reactivate your account, you need to go to your email. It's better to go to the email which is linked to your stake account, and you need to write them a letter that the exclusion period has passed and now you want to reactivate your account. They might ask you some details. You need to provide all of the information about your account. You need to prove your identity, and after that they will reactivate your account. So here is the official stake email address. So you need to contact their support using this email address. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.